Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Have you ever been curious about seeing our factory, seeing different machines, or joining our physical and online class? Well, this very video is for you. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is B Ward. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your products. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video as it helps us grow our page and so you won't miss any updates from World Nylon production. Today's video is all about my new trainee who came to see everything for herself and she was so excited. And if you are interested in this business, watch this video to the end. Now, let's hear from her.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelica. I am live and direct at the World Poly. Um, we're outside the factory because of noise. The production is actually ongoing. So I came all the way from Ekulobia. I'm doing a feasibility study on nylon production. So I came to View World and it was a great reception from showing me around, showing me the extruder, how it works, the measurement, the different machines, everything. The things I've actually watched all their videos on YouTube, but the things I've seen today and I've learned here is more than all the videos I've watched together on YouTube. So this is amazing. They are doing. I feel like students should be coming here for excursion. Like it's a whole lot. It's beautiful.
So today I had the opportunity to welcome one of my students to the factory so she could see everything for herself. Before now, she had only seen our work and machines online, but today she experienced the real production environment. First, my production manager took her around the factory to show her how everything is arranged and how the production process flows from start to finish. She was so excited to see the machines up close and understand how each one plays an important role in nylon production. One of the highlights of her visit was seeing the almighty blowing machine, also known as the extruder. This is the same machine she has been seeing on our page for a long time, but today she finally understood how it actually works. She learned how to properly set the machine, how to pass the materials, and how the nylon is formed during production. She learned the blowing size of nylon. She also observed the entire process carefully and gained a clear understanding of how nylon production works, both black and white. In addition, she was able to see how waste comes out during production and understand what causes it. This helped her learn how to reduce waste and improve the quality of final products. As you can see, what they are doing now is measurement. They are measuring the blowing size of the nylon. As you can see, she's observing carefully how they measure it. This is the level they are now. The good thing about VWAP company is that we don't just teach, we allow you feel it and touch it after teaching you. We allow you do exact thing. As you can see, she's measuring it by herself. She's doing the exact thing the production manager taught her, and the production manager is guiding her on how to measure it right now. This is secret people don't know. Some people teach you, but they don't allow you to feel it, to do it by yourself. But here we allow you to do it. As you can see, she's snapping everything, so and even recording with her jotter. So this is what, as you can see, she's here with her book. As we teach you, we allow you write and practice and feel and touch everything in real life. And remember, anytime you are coming to Vworld Company, make sure you are coming with your jotter. We don't joke with that. If not, we send you back because you're not just coming to look. You're coming to impact first, to impact something on you. Even my students online, before I start anything, I used to advise them, go and buy a book or a jotter if you don't have. Because after teaching, I mark notes. Even though it's online, you snap your notes and I mark it. That's how I do my things. This visit gave her practical knowledge that goes beyond what you see online. It showed her the real-life process, the challenges and the solutions involved in nylon production. At V1 Nylon Production Company, we believe that learning should not just be theoretical. We ensure our students understand the machines, the materials and the production process in a clear and practical way. Whether you are interested in online or physical training, This is the kind of exposure we offer. If you have been curious about joining or learning this business properly, this video shows exactly what to expect. So right now, let me keep calm so you observe with her carefully. Make sure you learn something. Oh. As you are observing, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. One good thing I like about her is that she's always happy. Whenever we ask her to come and try that, she used to be very, very happy. Like, as you're seeing it, she's trying and she's doing it by herself. Right now, what they are doing now is that they are removing waste, the one that is not good. They're removing it at a point. You see where they cut it to insert it so that the thing will start moving fine ahead. They have cut it now so that they will now reset it so that it will start moving fine, so that the buyer will not buy waste. You understand?
Make sure, yeah.
So after producing black nylon, we move ahead to produce white nylon so she could also feel it and see how it works. So I want to use this opportunity to re-explain this thing. I've explained it in my previous video. For those of you that is just watching my video for the first time, I would advise to go and watch it. So now the difference between this white nylon and black nylon is that I also explained it to her that very day, is that is master badge. Just the difference of master badge, as you're seeing this particular one now is blue, light blue. You understand? Just that is that master badge that gives it color, any color you want. Like this one now is blue color. It's just master badge. Just the same method of producing. Then the white nylon is they mainly use virgin material in production of white nylon. Like I explained in my previous video, it is good to use virgin material to produce white nylon. The difference between the black nylon, the white nylon, and this particular one they are producing here is master badge. I explained it in my previous video. It's master badge now. This particular one they are producing now, they can use waste material to do it. Any other nylon, any other type of nylon is being produced with waste nylon, or if they like, they use virgin material. But the reason why they usually use waste nylon here is for it to be cheaper. You understand? Any nylon they produce with virgin material is usually costly and is very nice because the material doesn't disturb. But waste nylon sometimes it disturbs. It's even bring out more waste, and that's the thing. It's only white nylon that I know that they don't usually use waste nylon in production, but in some cases white nylon they use waste material, but it's not good. It's not hygienic at all. It's not hygienic. It's not good. So that is what I want to explain, because some people might be like, some of you that is watching this video, some people will be like, this one is black, this one is white, how did they produce this one? Everything is just the same method of production. As you can see, it's the same extruder that produces black nylon, that produce white nylon, that produce any other color of nylon that you want. It's just the different materials. You can see it's the same factory here, the same people, same faces you are seeing, because it's the same method, it's just the difference of color, which is what I just explained now. Master badge. I've showed you people what master badge, how it looks like, what is not. I've explained it in my video, that secret in black nylon production. I've explained it.
Thank you very much, V World. I appreciate what I've learned here today. I'm grateful.
We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this very video. Don't forget we offer online and physical class. If you want to contact us, you can contact us with the number on the screen. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and comment on this very video. Thanks for watching once more. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.